Okay, with LC Bird, 6'5" senior Cameron Henry. He's the jack of all trades, the utility guy, as Coach Troy Mans and the Skyhawks like to say. They win today 61-44 for Potomac Falls in the state tournament quarterfinals here at Hampton University. Cam, you got off to a rocket start. What do you attribute to? Your guards getting you the ball? What do you attribute your success to?
Our whole main thing is just to push the ball, pick you out. He does a great job pushing it. He takes my man to help him, and then he just leaves me wide open. So all I do is knock him down.
You've been on this team before. It's been in the state championship game a year ago. You've been on these playoff runs before. What's different about the mindset of this group this year as opposed to last year and previous seasons?
Last year, we didn't have a really mindset of getting here. We just got here. Last year, we just knew we had to get back. So once we get back, we got to handle business. That's all it is.
Yep, you finished today with 16 points, 4-8 from three-point land, also 4 assists. You're a guy, too, that's willing to share the ball with your teammates. Is that something Coach has been stressing to make the extra pass?
Oh, yeah, that's what we're stressing all year. We have a lot of talent on the team, so it's so quick to get selfish. So all we have to do is just realize if we defend and tune the ball, nobody can stop us. We're unstoppable.
Mm-hmm. Early on the year, I think people were noticing Jalen Dillard knocking down shots. How much did his presence, becoming the new guy on the team hitting threes, help open up the floor for you as well?
Oh, they're basically denying him the whole game, so they're basically playing forward. So if Pinky can draw my man, I'm wide open, hit the shot, Rio, or even Pinky's wide open, they're going to have to knock it down, and they've been doing it. And our big man holding the paint down.
Yeah, I thought your spacing was great in the first half. Though you guys finished 9-25 from deep, were 7-14 in the first half. Let's talk about recruiting right now for you. What's on the table at the moment as far as schools that have either offered you or are looking at you the hardest?
I have 3 offers at the moment. I have Virginia Union, Potomac University, and Hampton University.
Okay.
I've been getting looked at by Hampton University, very good interest, and Barton College.
Okay.
I think that's it right now.
Hampton's D1, Barton's D2. You mentioned Catawba, Virginia Union, and Shawan as D2 offers. Are you content with D2, or do you want that D1?
Oh, it's wherever I can go out there and play and get a good education. That's it.
Okay, so it doesn't matter what level.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
What do you think of the 3 schools that have offered you so far? Tell me about each that you like. Anything stick out about any of the 3? Or?
I like the Catawba coach has been really talking to me a lot, getting to know me and stuff. So I think that might be the first visit after the season. So.
Okay. Couple more for you. What's a school getting in Cam Henry? Why should they recruit you if they're not recruiting you right now? What are they going to get in Cam Henry?
Scoring, hustle, defense, rebounding. They're going to get everything. Yeah. Like Coach Mans says, we're jack of all trades. Yeah,
you are. It seems like you're positionless. Do you have any preference as far as what you play, 1, 2, 3 at the next level? Or?
Coach Mans has me playing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sometimes even the 5 if our big man's in trouble. Right. So it's just a matter of wherever they want to put me. I'm going to do the work.
Last year, you guys lost in the state championship to Potomac. You'll get either Albemarle or Verona tomorrow in the semifinals. If you win, you'll be in the championship against whether it be Hampton, Wakefield, Bethel, or Potomac. What do you have to do to help this team achieve its ultimate goal of a state championship?
Defense. I've been slacking on defense earlier. So I think if I pick it up in the 3 games that we just played, or the game we just won, I think I picked it up a lot. The next 2, I have to pick my defense up. That's it.
That's Cam Henry, the senior for the LC Bird Skyhawks. 16 points as they won in the quarterfinals today at the state tournament over Potomac Falls. Thanks for your time. Congrats.
Thank you.